Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is LeetCode 2160. Minimum sum of 4-digit number after splitting digits. So here is given a num. You just have to split the number into different way such that their sum is minimum. Okay, so here is a num. You can split it into. Here is an example 2932. So you can split it into a 2293, 2392, 223 and 9 and 2392. So you just have to return the minimum sum. So here is the minimum sum is 29 plus 52, which is 29 plus 23, which is 52. So you just have to return the minimum sum. Okay, so let's do this. First you have to create a vector which will store the nums, means digit after splitting, while int temp equals to num, which will store the temp will store the nums value, while temp is not equals to 0, then you just have to do v dot push back temp modulo 10, and temp is equals to temp by 10. Okay, and after this you just have to do sort v dot begin comma v dot end and greater. This will sort the element from descending order. Okay, normal function will sort in ascending order from smaller to larger, but this will store the element into larger to smaller. Okay, and you just have to find the least sum, small sum. Let's do the sum is equals to v of 0 comma v of 1 plus it will plus v of 2 into 10 plus v of 3 into 10, and after this you just have to return the sum. Let's run this code, whether it is running properly or not. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.